everybody, welcome back. So today I am 20 weeks. I'm finally halfway through. Yay! So 20 weeks means I am 5 months along. So that is the official halfway mark for me, which is fantastic. I'm happy to be halfway there. Don't know why I look forward to that point, but I do. So this week, symptom-wise, hasn't been too bad actually. I'm not going to mention anything about what I said previously. I have felt a little bit more movement, but I haven't felt a lot as much as I actually was when I first started feeling it. And I think that's probably because maybe the baby has flipped and it's like kicking towards my back or something. I'm not sure. But I do feel a little bit here and there. It's just small amounts, which is fine. But yeah, I have no new symptoms to report, which is a good thing, I guess. Other than my growing belly. I've noticed my belly has popped out a lot more over the last couple weeks. I'm not sure if you remember a couple weeks ago in a few of my videos, I mentioned where my app had said that there was going to be a growth spurt. Well, now the baby is the size of a banana and approximately 10 inches long, which is quite the difference from just a couple weeks. So I'm going to show you my bump without further ado. Oh no, I don't know if you're going to be able to see it. I have officially popped, is what I call it. I've definitely gotten a lot bigger. You can look how big that bump is now. I'm trying to stand on my tippy toes here. Look at that. Okay, hold on, that's not gonna work. Let's try to lift up my shirt. I'm gonna lift up my pants too, so you don't see all my belly. You can see a bump there. Look at that belly. Definitely pregnant. That's for sure. So yeah, there is my 20-week bump. And for our content today, I am actually going to do what's called the baking soda test. It is an old wives' tale, of course, and we know you can't be 100% correct on anything. But I did this test with my son, and I attempted it with the twins, but it didn't work well because it was twins. So the baking soda test is pretty much you put some baking soda in a cup, and then you pee in a cup, and you pour that urine into the baking soda. And the theory is that if the baking soda fizzes, it's a boy, and if the baking soda does nothing, then it's a girl. So we're going to go on and get started with that. And in the meantime, I was just going to show you guys some bump pictures right here, real quick, just from like 16, 17, 18. No, that's too far. Let's do, let's just say the last 3 weeks so you can see how much my belly's grown in the last 3 weeks. So the 18, 19, and 20 week bump pictures. They'll be right there. See, you can see how much I've grown in the last 3 weeks, so that growth spurt that the app was talking about is really true for bump-wise and baby-wise. All right, so without further ado, we are going to do this baking soda test. Here is my baking soda, and here's the pee. We're going to pour this in. Of course, this is the morning urine, so I'm not sure if I'm supposed to stir it or just like every second to get in there. I mean, it's bubbling, but it's not like super fizzy. Am I supposed to stir it? I don't remember what I'm supposed to do, guys. Let me know what you think. Would you say that that's fizzing? Or that it's... I think just bubbles going into it because I'm pouring a liquid inside of it. I don't know. Looks like it's kind of, after the liquid gets into it, just kind of stays still and does nothing. I would assume, I remember with my son, I think it was fizzing like just fizzing like crazy, like a beer would. So I think if everything is accurate, then this would say that it's a girl. Yeah, my urine's pretty dark because it's my morning pee, sorry. But yeah, so according to this baking soda test, it is a girl. Woo! All right, so give me 1 second to flip this camera around. All right, so as you guys just saw, according to the baking soda test, it is supposed to be a girl. Now, I'm not going to lie to you, and I'm not going to pretend that I don't know what it is already. So, with the fun of the baking soda test, I'm just curious to see what it is because it's fun. So, the guys actually told me, all right, because the embryos were PGS tested, the doctor told them actually after we tested positive that apparently according to the PGS testing that it actually is in fact a girl. So that's pretty cool. But personally, I know they say it's accurate and everything, but I wait to see, I would prefer to wait to see the actual parts on the monitor of the ultrasound. So for me, it's not technically official until I see on the ultrasound, and the ultrasound text says it's a girl or it's a boy. I hope that's okay with you guys, but I didn't want to lie to you guys and pretend that I don't know anything. So whatever. So pretty much that is the end of the video. I was mistaken in my last video where I said my ultrasound was this week. It is, but it's not until Friday. So on my 21-week video is when you will see the photos of the baby from the ultrasound. So that's okay. I apologize that I don't have that for you this week, but that's why I did the baby sort of test. So we can attempt to see if that gender is correct and if the PGS testing gender is correct. And on the ultrasound, we will find out for sure, as long as she or he possibly cooperates with us. All right, I'm going to stop talking because I'm rambling at the end like I always do. So I hope you guys have a great day, morning, evening, whatever time you're watching this. And if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please post in the comments below. Take care. Bye.